Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what is the role of a project manager. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very basic topic of project management. So friend, let's start. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. First of all, we have to understand that who is project manager. Friend, a project manager is a person who lead the project and who manage the project. Okay, first of all, the simple definition is that project manager is a person who manage the project. Managing means that project manager has to play the leading role in the planning, execution, monitoring, controlling and closing of a project. And also friend, project manager is responsible for the entire scope of work, team resources and success or failure of the project. So this is the very basic definition of a project manager. Now coming towards our main topic, that what is the role or responsibilities of a project manager. Friend, first of all, project manager has to identify the activities and then he has to do the resource planning. How he can identify the resources? First of all, he has to understand the scope of work. By using the scope of work, we has to build a work breakdown structure, WBS, and from work breakdown structure he has to identify the activities means the task which you can estimate in terms of time and cost. Once you identify the activities, he has to assign or identify the resources required to accomplish the activities. Then organizing and motivating a project team. This is also a very big responsibility or role of a project manager, that he is a person who always motivates the team. He always try to avoid the negativity, problems, issues from the project team. He is a person who always buck up the team. He always try to be successful. Why? Because if team successful, obviously he will also be successful. Controlling the time management. For controlling time management, he has to build a project schedule, and by using the project schedule he has to make sure that things are moving as per the schedule. If things are not moving as per the schedule, he has to take the right actions. Cost estimation and budgeting is also a responsibility of a project manager. Why? Because see friend, he knows the activities what has to be done for a project. Okay, so based on the activities he has to identify the required cost or budget for a project, and he has to make sure that whatever the cost or budget has been decided for the project, it should be accomplished, it should be completed accordingly as well. Customer satisfaction is also a very big responsibility of a project manager. He has to do regularly or weekly basis, he has to do the meetings with customer. Yeah, gets the feedback from customer, sit with him, talk with him, try to get insight about the customer knowledge or customer satisfaction level. So this is also a very big responsibility of project manager. Project manager has to identify the risk at a very early stage of a project. He has to make a risk register and identify the risk. Not only identify the risk, he has to make a response planning for those risks as well. If there is any risk he should have to make a identify a risk and assign the risk to someone else as well, so that the risk can be handled properly as well. Monitoring the progress means project performance. Project performance means in terms of scope, time, cost, quality. He has to identify the progress of performance, and if there is any corrective action is required, he has to take the action accordingly. He is also responsible to manage the reports, documentation like a scope of work, functional specification, project plans, communication plan, issue risk, issue log, risk register, lesson learned. So all these types of documents should be managed by the project manager. Also other reports like for example a status report, a steering committee meetings, minutes of the meeting. So these types of reports should be managed properly by the project manager and should be reported to the high level or mid level management, so that everyone should be aware about the progress of a project. So friend, thanks a lot for your time. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.